What are some great startups in the real estate world? Why are they great? Alex Chong says, well, okay, I'm a tad biased here. But I think what we're doing at www.roost.com matters quite a bit. The epiphany we had was that the majority of business generated by realtors doesn't come from online marketing, ads or leadgen. It comes from their individual networks and referrals. Meanwhile, you have the social web exploding. So how do you help pros harness that trend and optimize the big piece of their business? That's what Roost does. We're taking a fundamentally B2B approach and basically creating a new category of marketing tools. We think there is unlimited potential in helping the individual real estate professional grow their network, stand out as an expert and get business socially. On the B2C side, I think there are a ton of great tools out there that will only get better. The consumer's access to real estate information online is order of magnitude better than it used to be. Jay Neely says, floorplanner.com, easy to create, interactive floor plans, and offers a 3D view mode. Attention-grabbing, and absolutely killer for getting potential buyers to attach to a house, when they start arranging, adding furniture, thinking of how they'd make it theirs. Resora.com, real estate email marketing that's not from the 90s, massively better at driving click-throughs and reporting results. Give this to an agent that already understands the power of email marketing and they will think Christmas has come a second time. SmartZip.com, Carfax of house reports. Major improvement over traditional CMAs. Detailed but understandable analysis of a home's value, nicely presented. Update. Since I wrote this back in June of 2011, SmartZip has expanded quite a bit. The original Carfax of house reports service I wrote about is now their home intelligence solution. Roost.com. I haven't had as much experience with Roost, but there's no doubt they're serving a relevant need as agents expand into social media marketing. Michael Mandel says, again, a biased answer, but I think what we're doing at CompStack is pretty awesome. CompStack is a marketplace for commercial lease information. With CompStack, real estate brokers and appraisers earn points by uploading commercial lease comps they have. They use these points to buy the lease comps they need. As a result, CompStack maintains the world's only comprehensive database of completed lease deals. For those of you not familiar with commercial leasing, lease comps are actual records of completed lease deals with information like address, tenant name, rental rate, term, and landlord concessions. This information doesn't hit the public records like sales do, so it's very hard to come by. We're currently accepting requests to join our NYC closed beta. Check us out at www.compstack.com. Thanks for watching our video on what are some great startups in the real estate world. Why are they great?